Hi, in this video we'll look at what is support and what is resistance. So support is the price level or the price zone at which the price takes support, and the resistance is the resistance line or price level or the resistance zone. By zone we are meaning a price range where the price faces resistance. So when we say resistance, what do we mean is that the price is trying to move beyond that particular range, and then it faces strong selling pressure from the sellers. And in the support area, what happens is that the price tries to move further down, but it takes support because the buyers are trying to absorb the selling pressure. So it will become more clearer with this chart. So here let me draw this area. So we can see here that as and when the Apple's price enters this particular zone, it faces strong selling pressure. So this is the resistance zone or the resistance area. Like if you see here, like couple of times, like 1, 2, 3, 3 times it has faced resistance where the price has tried to move beyond this zone, but it has been facing selling pressure and the price has moved in the downward direction. And now for the support area, now you can see here that this particular zone has been a strong support for zone for Apple stock price. So whenever the price enters this particular zone, the buyers have bought the price up, bought the dip, and the price has gone up. So this is what is called as support and resistance. Hope the concept is clear. So in simple terms, resistance is the price level or zone. It is much better to define it as a zone, as a range, rather than using a single price point or a price level, where it faces resistance because the selling pressure is high. Whereas support is a price zone or the zone at which the buyers come in and then try to support the price and try to take it up. So I'll also cover about what is called as role reversal. So once the price moves convincingly beyond the resistance, the what used to be the resistance earlier now becomes a support. So now suppose if the price moves breaks if the price breaks this resistance zone and then moves above this particular zone, then this is the current resistance, but it now becomes the support level and it will face resistance. The resistance moves up. I'll also like to talk about what we call as a dynamic resistance, and like these are like pretty static zones where, but if you look at this particular trend, the orange line is the 21-day exponential moving average. We have seen that whenever the price has touched this one, it has gone back, like it has gone up. So when during this particular trend, like we can also use like a moving averages for having a dynamic support and resistance, like to find out where the dynamic support and resistance lies for that particular stock.